So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable the volume buttons on your guided access in your iPhone. Once you are enable the guided access, you won't be able to access the volume buttons. So you can easily do that. So now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the app. For example, if I open the browser, here in the browser, just simply let's enable the, for example, if I search anything here, the Wikipedia, and now if I enable the guided access by triple tapping over there, here you can see a screen has started. Now click on this option of options in this left bottom corner. Once you click over there, here you can see the volume buttons is disabled. Just simply enable this one and hit done and hit start. Now you can easily access the volume buttons even when you are in your guided access. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.